I dance, climbing, swimming, flying, running, ride a bike, read, jumping, drawing, playing, walking, singing. Friends, I will give you some examples to understand the verbs. Now look at this. There is a sentence. I will read the sentence. Rama was eating an apple. In the sentence, what is the verb? Yes, it is eating. Now, now there is one more sentence. I will read that sentence. Rama is playing with her friends. In the sentence, where is the verb or action word? Yes, it is play. Now, I will give you some more examples to know. Lily is drinking milk. In this sentence, where is the verb? Yes, it is drinking. Now, second, we walked to the park together. In this sentence, where is the verb? It is walked. Next, James plays hockey. In this sentence, where is the verb? It is plays. Did you learn the verb and action words? I think so. Bye. Like and subscribe.